Hello. Today our next topic is the past adjustment in close partnership account. It means we have omitted to give partners salary, interest on capital, commission, and charge interest on drawings. Sometimes profit of the firm is distributed among the partners for a particular period without giving consideration to the terms and condition laid down in पार्टनरशिप डीड. इट मीन्स कुछ टाइम हम क्या करते हैं, पार्टनर्स में प्रॉफिट्स को हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देते हैं, लेकिन जो पार्टनरशिप डीड में वी हैव टू एग्रीमेंट दैट्स वी हैव टू पे इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, सैलरी, कमीशन, दैट्स वी हैव ओमिटेड. यानी हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, कमीशन ये सब हम देना भूल जाते हैं. सच इग्नोर और ओमिटेड टर्म्स and conditions are required to be adjusted, but condition is to be adjusted after the close accounting period. Since some accounting treatment required to correct the past error or omissions, the such treatment is called past adjustment. It means हमारे पास में रिक्वायरमेंट होती है कि हमने जो गलतियाँ की थी, ओमिशन हो गई थी हमसे, या हम कुछ चीज़ें लिखना भूल गए थे, तो उन्हें हमें उनको वापस रेक्टिफाई करना है. जो चीज़ हम रेक्टिफाई कर रहे हैं दे कॉल आर पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट्स. पास्ट व्हाट adjustment arise when interest on capital, I repeat again, interest on capital is completely omitted or charged in books at more less at rate. It means we have fully omitted to give interest on capital. Yeah, we have to be pay interest on capital 10%, but we pay only 8%. Interest on drawings is omitted. Salary or commission payable to the partner is omitted. Profit have been divided in wrong ratio. Profit after sharing ratio is changed with respective effects. It means these are 5 adjustments, so we will omitted, and this errors to be required we do past adjustments. So past adjustment methods we have two: past adjustment by passing single journal entry and past adjustment through P&L adjustment account. Past adjustment and close partnership account. We have two methods of past adjustment. First, passing single entry या adjustment entry. Second, P&L adjustment account, not P&L appropriation. I repeat, P&L adjustment account. Okay, so today we study first method, our passing single journal entry या table showing adjustment. Okay, format is this. Suppose we are 3 partners. The first column is same particular A, B, C, subdivided 2 parts, debit and credit, A, B, C, and last column is firm. Subdivided part is debit credit, debit credit, debit credit, debit credit. Okay, now what we omitted: interest on capital in partners, credit and inform debit. Its format and fix: salary, credit, debit; commission, credit, debit. And last topic is interest on drawings. It's debit and firm credit. Now last our total the firm and find the P&L and distribute the partners in particular ratio. Okay, this is the format of table showing adjustment account या past single journal entry. Okay, when in question required past adjustment entry या single entry, so we will prepare a table showing adjustment account. And when require in question past adjustment entries, not entry, entries, then we will prepare a P&L adjustment account. It is difference in two method: single entry या adjustment entry या past entries when require entries. So we will prepare a P&L adjustment account. ठीक है, it's we justify what will be make in question, not be sure that you will make a table showing adjustment account या P&L adjustment account. Okay, you will be justify that what will the question require, single entry या entries. Okay, now we will prepare a P&L adjustment account. Second method our is P&L adjustment account. And this account is entry will be pass gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. Okay, now we will prepare a P&L adjustment account. It means profit and loss adjustment account. The same format of P&L appropriation account. Its difference is in P&L appropriation account we can't distribute a loss, but in this account we distribute a loss. In P&L adjustment account we can distribute loss. In P&L appropriation we can't distribute loss. It's difference. And P&L appropriation prepare when firm is a start, and P&L adjustment we will prepare when we omitted some items like interest on capital, salary, commission, etc. Same to interest on capital account A and B to salary A, B to commission A, B and to profit F. But many times we got only loss in this account by interest on drawings A and B and loss by loss A and B. Only one entry pass if loss या profit and P&L appropriation P&L adjustment account. Okay. Now we solve illustration number 14. RST are partner in profit sharing ratio 3:2:1 on 31st March 2017. Their capital, I repeat, this capital is 31st March because in previous questions we got capital on 1st April. It means there we will start a business. Okay, and now it is end of the year capital, it's closing capital. Which capital? It is closing capital. 31st March capital, it is a closing capital balance 1,15,000, 70,000, 42,000 respectively, after making all the necessary adjustment in connection with the drawing on net profit after closing its line. How we find that it is a adjustment, past adjustment topic. After closing the books of account it was found, यानी अकाउंट्स को क्लोज करने के बाद में हमें पता चला कि दैट द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एंड ड्राइंग्स 10% वाज नॉट प्रोवाइडेड, यानी हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स देना भूल गए. इट्स omitted. The drawings of partner were 15,000, 10,000, 8,000 respectively, and the interest there on amount of drawings is 1,600 and 400. The net profit of the year before considering above interest on capital and drawing is 60,000. Make necessary adjustment entries. It is demand in question entries. It means we prepare P&L adjustment account. Okay, but I repeat, we will prepare both of topic, past single entry adjustment and P&L adjustment account. Okay, we will solve this question both methods. We will solve question this both methods, single entry and P&L adjustment account. I repeat, this capital is closing capital and interest on drawings always charge only opening capital, and it is a closing capital. So we will find opening capital. We will find first opening capital because interest on capital charge only opening capital. How do we find opening capital? In this topic learn in 11th class in last chapter, particular A, B and C. Closing capital, it is 1,15,000, 70,000 and 42,000. Add drawings 15,000, 10,000 and 8,000. शायद कुछ बच्चों को तो याद भी आ रहा होगा 11th क्लास में अगर किया होगा ये टॉपिक. 1,30,000, 80,000 and 50,000. Less profit is given 60,000. Ratio is not ratio is also given in 3:2:1. So 60,000 divided in 3:1 is 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. So it is, we will find opening capital. Opening capital 1,70,000, 60,000 and 40,000. It is opening capital and we charge 10% interest on capital. This capital, not this, because this is a closing capital and our rules is interest on capital we will charge only opening capital, not a closing capital. If any other questions we find closing capital. So first of all we find opening capital, because we can't give closing capital on interest on capital. So first method is pass single journal entry. So we will prepare a table showing adjustment account. Table showing adjustment account. Look, this type of format we will prepare few minutes. A, B and C, and last is firm. A, B, C and firm. Subdivided is debit credit, 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 particular. Okay, so what will omitted? Interest on capital and interest on drawings. So interest on capital 10%. Capital, we have two types, capital closing and opening. We will find interest on capital in opening capital. I repeat, interest on capital always calculated on opening capital. So 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000, total in firm 20,000. And interest on drawings debit 1,000, 600, 400, total is from credit 2,000. Difference, first of all we solve firm account. Okay, so firm is, it is a 20,000 and it is total only 2,000, so difference in 18,000. Where is credit side? Difference we find 18,000. How we'll find 18,000? 20,000 is total and only here is 2,000, so difference is we find 18,000. Okay, so this 18,000 we find the credit side, so it will be divided in debit side of partners. In particular given ratio is 3:2:1. Okay, P&L 18,000, 3:1. Okay, so it will be divided 3:1. So this amount is 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. Now our last point of this, total every debit and credit at 10,000, 10,000, 6,600, 6,000, 3,400 and 4,000. Okay, now most important is difference. 10,000 10,000 equal dash, 6,600 and 6,000, where is a more than a 600 debit side, so we write where is more than. See, 3,400 and 4,000, it is 600 more than in credit side. Now we pass our journal entry in format of journal. It will be checked by you, debit and credit are equal. Okay, B is debit and C partner is credit by same amount 600 600. So B's capital account debit and to C capital account credit 600. Match, it means our question right. Now we prepare our next method is P&L adjustment accounts. Okay, First of all, we find a palace of journal entries. Look out as a 3-4 entries. Okay, this format of journal: date, particular, ILF, debit, credit. Okay, now we will prepare a P&L adjustment account. Same is P&L appropriation. I repeat, particular, interest on capital we omitted. A, B, C, same amount: 10,000, 6,000, and 4,000. It's 20,000 by interest on drawings A, B, C, 1,000, 600, 400 is 2,000. So we find a loss. By loss, A, B, C, $20,000, and loss is 18,000. It will be divided in 3:1 ratio. 9,000, 6,000, and 3,000. Pass our same entries. P&L adjustment account: debit to A capital, to B capital, to C capital. Sorry, I change name in question. It RST. Sorry, RST. But no effect on name. Okay. So entry, I think here also we will change RST. So S and T. So next entry: P&L adjustment account: debit to R capital, to S capital, to T capital. P&L adjustment account: debit to R, to S, to T. $20,000, 10,000, 6,000, 4,000. Next entry: R capital, S capital, T capital to P&L adjustment. R, S, T to P&L adjustment. $1,000, 600, 400, 2,000. Last, R's capital account: debit, S capital account: debit, T's capital account: debit to P&L adjustment account. 9,000, 6,000, 3,000, 18,000. This illustration type of question is 10, 11, 12.